Free Jordan I'm starting ball amane how a wiki and yema besiako. And then Wednesday President Mahama Bell launched the Nkoko Nketenkete project. And it is expected. And no Ochinaya Ba as part of the budget in the Ebedi Home Komo. But in Drama country say the helicopter crasher is see on the 6th of August. I buy the report, ebe babonting, right?
Yeah.
Now, womani Ghana for so Ebedi Home Komo.
Yeah.
We'll tell you more about except of the reports. Any baby asan komono akwa kusi. Okay? They happen here helicopter no share see. Any the committee a report ye no one more suggest and I say one more recommended them buying say a buying into me enye. And she said back no me and say one person buying the go akwem said the beya. At arrangement tesano a beam kosibi.
Yeah.
I can share this and a beam maybe. And it will take you through. But my teaching come cause social media and any idea. People are questioning the airworthiness of the Z9 helicopter na nkasa. Say helicopter no before I bet you know na e were in good condition na. Say na any in good condition. What were the challenges? Problems no na any day. Defects no e hifa na ewo. But by the reports, one more make it clear say the Z9 helicopter no was in good condition.
Mechanically.
Yeah. And ma yenko through the highlight of the report. Now, this is the overall findings by the committee. One more etina say a year say a year the investigation. Now, one or say the overall findings. The helicopter was airworthy and serviceable at the time of the crash. So what it means is that at the time Z9 helicopter no no na bibia no
okay. Yeah, na bibia fine.
Yentimi nka say a helicopter before I bet you know na say ne ho ba bia say ana necessary ye servicing bi na yanye ana maintenance bi na yanye. Committee ni say it was airworthy. Now point 2 say all flight inspections were completed and duly signed off by the captain.
Yeah.
Okay? And the pilot, who is a captain within the Air Force, no air to plane, no. Inspection bia necessary and sana were two a helicopter, no. Okay? What to me a year. And I would inside a shot, yes, so far, per cross check, I will know I bia the dean.
Good.
Point 3. Flight system functioned normally until the moment of impact. Okay, according to the flight data report. And the flight data report, Emma Womo the indication said even at the time, helicopter no a 2 year no a yomo na bibia ye day.
Bibia okay. Yeah, na bibia.
Okay, now with him say accident ni si wie no crash ne ba wie no. Na ye pe bibi e wo helicopter no wa ye friend black box.
Yeah.
And no na enim defo no kire ma yate ase say black box ni ye bibi e wo helicopter ni mu ana plane bi e mu a record
bibia
event bia AC bia. Enti once ye betimi ho the black box it is expected say a bema real time data ama what be hu the see ye
which ma assess in my course.
Exactly at the time a helicopter was on flight.
Yeah.
Now but more large yenko the next one. Enti these are concerns committee erase here. Revelations are ever. Now point 2 or say missing safety enhancement. So committee ni say flight ni there and a helicopter ni there. Na okay, plane no dey okay. In fact, bibia enye bi ho bia answer. But per their report ni investigation womo who say helicopter na elake certain things. And no eye niema na ebi nimu kra. What it means is that at the manufacturing level yamfa sa niema ni bia anye den anshishem. Okay? And see also missing safety enhancement. Where ye niema ye betimi aye de ama ye aircraft ahodo a military no eyusu nyina including the presidential jet. Okay?
Yeah.
And the committee ni say the aircraft lack key avionic safety systems that could have improved pilot awareness and reduce the risk of an accident. Okay? And one specifically, missing equipment include terrain awareness and warning systems. Okay, one more friend taos. And terrain awareness and missing and warning systems, you know, it's more or less like as I see a device be an equipment be aircraft anymore. Aircraft, you know, we are name you ma walk on. In the skies, say Oceanim Nasa Bibi, Bonnie be turbulence be ba weather name yet a header, sir, equipment, you know. Ebe drawn attention say
me detect it.
Ebe me detect it. Actually say okay. Route here won nam so you know. Baby a wo keka kono. Ade say and the wo wedim. And it's a pilot no ebe take measure bia na wa take ansa na we do that particular sport. Okay?
Yeah.
And ti a crowd de wo wedim any awareness say wunya ansa na what be adru ho. Okay?
Yeah.
But the committee no ka say equipment and a device I betimi a kire nipa o twi plane no ma menka ne sa na obi antiase obetumi a kire no I mean sa de no na ebinim and say ebinim a ese yen plane a aka nyina you make sure say ye de sa ne mani bi ide exactly. Now yen call the second point, advanced navigation with terrain mapping. And say yenya device okay ebe make sure say ebe kire yen de e wo yanim more. Okay, now by the maps wo mu use wo de navigate ma yemfa ha ye fa ha ye be kwa kopia ha sa ne mani nyina no I mean SSC yenya sa devices ne bi e wo yen aircraft ahodo ni nyinem so that at any point in time no say I mean pilots no etua okay obetimi ehu say okay route ya me nam so yi by my mapping no incident ebetimi aiden a happen here
because what it means is that say omunya equipment na e detect ahead of time
na
be we nim na
exactly
and no will help the mapping
no
because say bibi we nim a ebetumi a tell okay because of bibi we nim now obetumi navigate
exactly Afahasi. Me faha ebia me kwa kopie the next airport.
Good.
And I said the next place I met me Alande.
I
ho ye safe. Okay. Good. And that is the device. The committee no air say by their checks and investigation no na helicopter Z9 no ebinim. Okay. My yanko the next point. I say automatic flight control system. Okay. Autopilot assistance. And you know it's more or less like a device okay. In the absence of say pilot no air lucy control on said that enhu de wonye no the autopilot system no will be activated enti ebekwa kwete say helicopter na nkasa na aircraft na nkasa na airco no I mean say pilot eti one an assistant one more lose focus one more lose control krana there is something to hold the aircraft okay
for some time
instantly no emma enkonko say ade ne ba beti ahwefo maanie so I mean that is what they are requesting say such devices no yen aircraft ahodo a aka you make sure say ye de bia ye dey ahyehyehye mu now okwa wanim bi ma or say these systems are designed to warn pilots of approaching terrain or obstacles enti wo mo ye clear sa niam a yo mo abobosu ni nyina no ebe warning nipa okura eye plane na wo twi plane no okay se wo kwa wadim no eniam say ana wo wadim enti ye careful wo bibi a obese wo ya na watumi aye dey decision bi ho na say wo take ya na what take okay then again or say assist in navigation in low visibility or mountainous areas. Okay, and the systems when so ebe kire no navigation. Okay, route ya wonam so you say na wo wedim. Enti faha, yemfa okay? Baby a wonam ebia visibility wonhu wanimu ye. Eye poor, okay? Moisture no ewom weather ne nye. Enti fa ni say and I yemfa ni say. This is the alternative route how betumi ade. Eyusu. Okay? So when ni nyina na ye niema say ye nyabi yen aircraft ahodo ni mu a ebetimi aboa. Now the next one say also stabilize aircraft in difficult flight conditions. Okay? And at the time to say the micheche mono pilots no why confused. The esinadim no akopie so prekope or ye lucy control. Okay? So system see especially the automatic flight control system no ebe stabilize aircraft no. Said the aircraft no for some time ebetimi ay stabilize na said the nka ebefa ha na afa ha na afia yam hye de ade eba the flight will be stabilized na afei say decisions be communication be na was say ekoswa na etimi akoso na the next one was it navigators stated that the absence of these systems likely reduced situational awareness during flight. Enti lack of sa eniema we because sa eniema we ayabobo so nyina na ebi ni helicopter name no. I mean clearly enya dia eniema na AC na the time with the situation no na pilot no won betimi aye bibia extraordinary because weather no enye. Now let's go up. Now yenkai the recommendations of the committee. Now I see safety recommendations. The investigative team strongly recommended that all government and military aircraft be upgraded or replaced with models equipped with modern safety and terrain awareness systems. And that is one more first recommendation. You make sure say military aircraft, any aircraft your mining the engine either say your best sa old ones say what any systems when be near perfect fry will be and I see you be making sure say your business systems no upgrade na e be about the what now the next one I say the report urges immediate acquisition of aircraft with this safety enhancement to prevent future disasters. And ahano kra de omo aka ne clear we must ensure say you betimi enya sa aircraft etete sa ne bi you beto foforo ayento foforo na entime emwa. Now the report urges immediate acquisition. Okay, maka no that. Now timelines of the incident incident no the see year da wo mu 2 year time wo mu 2 year airport wo mu 2 free mo any ade nyina and then the victims involved with the accident ana ni nyina no yabobo so. Now circumstances or say the helicopter lost altitude and lift due to a downdraft, okay, leading to impact with terrain as detailed in a related report. The crash triggered a post-impact fire, burning the wreckage of victims beyond recognition. Eyewitnesses and video showed debris ablaze in a forested area as locals attempted to reach the scene. Okay, and see what your condition. I one watch say weather no, it was very poor. Okay, visibility was poor. And not the condition of the aircraft, you know. Of course, and from my ebony idea was unfavorable to the craft. Now, it is considered one of Ghana's worst air disasters in over a decade. Okay, now Oba Danwa or say lead investigators remarks. Captain Paul Fojo, retired pilot, aircraft accident investigations bureau, led the probe. Okay, in making sure say Sanima Wayne yetimi ahwehwe mu akwakosi. Now I said the aircraft was mechanically sound. Okay, the aircraft was mechanically sound. The cause was environmental and situational, and not mechanical failure. The modern avionics could have prevented or mitigated the crash. Okay, so systems are one more boss and if say it happens, be a severe situation. So those are key things. I mean, the lead investigators are one more years I report, you know, at the ABBA. Now concerns Libya, ABBA no a year. But this is the professional worker investigators, you know.